The Big Heads were in full swing as the Aces welcomed in the Drake Bulldogs to the Ford Center on Sunday evening. Jumping into the intense game, Troy Taylor sent the ball to Ned Cox to give the Aces an early 2-point lead. Then Colt Ryan sent it to DJ Ballantyne for a three-pointer. DJ then sent it back to Colt for a jumper to tie the game at 11 with 11 minutes left in the first half. The Bulldogs then came back when Corey Babineau hit a layup, followed by Jordan Clark, who sent the Dogs to a 25-22 lead. With 30 seconds left, Ned Cox then hit a layup. The Aces trailed 32-26 at the half. In the second half, the Aces had many jumpers with Lewis Jones and Ned Cox hitting them. Egidius Muscavicius then had an assist from Colt Ryan for this layup, sending the Aces ahead 51-55. Lewis Jones hit another jumper and Colt Ryan made another layup. Then Colt Ryan with the three-pointer to tie the Aces 66-66. In overtime, Lewis Jones had an assist from Egidius Muscavicius to get a layup. The Aces defeated the Bulldogs 84-78.